What if the secret to saving the planet was tiny bacteria eating plastic? Every year, humans produce over 400 million tons of plastic, and most of it never disappears. But in 2016, scientists found a microbe in Japan that could actually digest plastic. It releases special enzymes that break plastic into simple molecules, like sugar for microbes. Scientists even engineered a faster version, superbacteria, that eats plastic 6 times quicker. This discovery could change recycling forever, and maybe even clean the oceans. Tiny life forms, fixing a giant human problem. The future of our planet might start under a microscope.